Pẹ̀lẹ́ sà. Ẹ̀yin ni apply fún iṣẹ́ gateman àbí? Alright. Like how many hours ti máa ń sùn? I mean, tí wọ́n bá fún yín ní leisure time bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ lọ rest something like that. So how many hours ẹ fi ń sùn?
Wọ́n jẹ́ parata yẹn, mo máa ń sùn o.
So ní particular time maybe 2-3 hours ṣá. Ní time tẹ́ ẹ kì í sùn.
Àbí ẹnìkan sọ pé téèyàn bá ń ṣiṣẹ́, kéèyàn tó lásìkò oorun.
Okay, no problem.
Nígbà kí n máa ṣe nǹkan tó wà important lọ́wọ́ ọ̀gá.
Ẹ sùn. Tẹ bá ń jáde lọ́sìn, tẹ bá dé reception, ẹ drop CV yín fún gẹ́ẹ̀. I will get back to you.
Ẹ pè mí o.
Sure, màá pè yín.
Ẹ pè mí o.
All right, thank you.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
No,
This is playing.
So, báwo lẹ́yìn people ṣe máa ń fi iṣẹ́ ń ṣeré náà? I told you to buy something for me. Wo bó ṣe kó dání.
Ọ̀gá Yamani ni ò lọ́la.
Sorry. Ọ̀rọ̀ what is ọ̀rọ̀?
May God.
Lẹ́yìn náà ló dé bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ti bá ń pọ̀ pọ̀.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, get out. Are you mad? Yeah, next person, please. Oh shit! Let me pee this water out.
Wọ́n fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́, wọ́n fẹ́ jẹun, àwọn olè.
All right, thank you. So, what do you want from? Oh, sorry, I forgot. I've heard more about you. You are the one that applied for the gateman, right?
Yes.
They say that you are competent and hardworking.
Okay, I dey competent o. Even this gateman work, na my destiny work o.
Really?
Yes.
So, what else can you even offer us at our office?
For this whole bit, I fit dey secure everywhere.
Okay.
And nothing will miss. Even a pen, you no go miss.
Okay. But what if I said you should come and start on Monday? Because today is Friday already. So you can come on Monday and start the work.
I can start today, Oga.
Mr. Man, just calm down. Today is Friday.
Yes.
We are closing by 2. So on Monday you can come and start the work.
Like I don't start already Monday. Hey.
Oh,
God, oh.
my bad. Please, can you just give me like 5 minutes? I want to go to the reception to pick something up there.
Okay, sir.
Just feel free, eh?
Make I feel free.
Feel free, you are good.
Make I feel free.
Yeah, feel free with
Feel
them.
free.
Yeah. Mister.
How do you want God to punish you? It's like mad people are doing crusade inside your head.
Gentleman, can someone explain what is going on here with me?
Before they explain, I just about stupid though. I want to ask, that girl will give reception. Who they knock that girl? I like her.
You mean that fair girl?
Yes.
At the reception? Oh. Mr. Man, get out. Stand up!
Sir!
Get out from my office. Right now.
You said make I feel free.
Feel free, kill you. Call the security for you right now. Are you security? Idiot. See, as you mess up my office. Yeah, of course.